Hello from Slovenia again. I promised that I will show the whole process of my yellow on black reverse dip, so I will start with my colors so that we will do this quick. This was my titanium buff and my terra rosa red. I will just add dots, intime, no particular order, just try to do dots. So next is my lemon yellow. Oops. And my cadmium orange, light hue. They're thicken up a little bit, I think. I don't have much this orange. I scrape it. But we will have enough for this one. We'll add some more here, just a little more here. And now my white, just regular titanium white. And now I will add my dots here so that my paint will flow to the middle to get these flower petals. And my cadmium yellow. You know that you almost that it's almost impossible to do one pour like another, but we will try to get as close as we can, and we will see. And my lemon yellow again. I have something here. What is this? Something weird coming out. And my titanium buff, just try to add a drop here and there to marry this center with our petals. I think that I did this way, I don't know, I don't remember because I didn't film it. So I just try to do what I think that I did then, but I don't know if I will just add some and just drop of this Terra Rosa on the here, so that we will get hopefully this middle part darker like we did on the last pour. So I will just I hope that I have this yellow green, enough of it for this pour, because I think that it's almost gone. And my green gold. I will not add it to all of the dots. I will just do it I don't know, just like that, maybe here. And our lemon yellow and some of our dots. And this is it. I just have water here in my bottle, and I will just dump it a little bit and put it down. Just gently dip on my flower petals. Oh, I hope that I didn't have my head on the way again. I'm sorry, I just forget what I'm doing my pores, that maybe my head is on the way. I just lift first 4 corners, and then the other 4 corners, and lift. We get pretty close, not completely, but pretty close. Now I will torch it a little bit. And maybe for a change this time I will leave this green like it is. So for a little different maybe result, you see this I blow leaves in my other pour, but I think I will leave it like this now, because I like this little green cells popping up. Maybe just this one bothers me, but I will leave it like this, so that will be a little bit different. I will take you up for a close-up. I changed my mind. I will blow this green. I just don't know where to go to not be in the frame. Right here. Let's add a little more black here because it's fix this because it bothers me. I will add just a little bit of my green and yellow. Oops. So now I will take you for a close-up. So this is our second one, a little different. Maybe I did less puddles on the previous one, but I just want to do one more because some of you asked to see the whole process, how I add my colors in this technique. So I'm sorry that I didn't do this first time, so I tried to recreate it. It's a little bit different, but this is the process. Now you know. If you like it, please give me your thumb up, subscribe if you didn't yet, click this bell button to be notified when I upload my new videos, and see you on the next one. Bye.